What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. This is your girl, Nubian Princess. How you doing? How you doing? So today I wanted to pop on here and just basically say hello and give you guys a quick hair update. So these are my lock extensions. Before I get started, I do want you to go ahead and click the like and subscribe button. Let me know when you're done. Good. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So anyways, this is my channel. I am all about locks, life, and things that happen. I got these lock extensions reinstalled November of last year. We are now in April. This is what it's looking like. I'm happy with the results. I got a 2-strand twist like towards January the 24th. And I've just been washing my hair with the 2-strand twist. I have not taken it out. I don't want to take it out because I actually like the fact that I have less amount of locks in my hair right now with the 2-strand twist. So this is what I got going on. On a regular day with my locks separated and in ones, I have a total of 79 locks. It's supposed to be 80. Long story short, she ended up installing 79. So this is what we got going on. I'm going to turn around. Hopefully the camera will allow you to see it. Don't go down. Can you see it? The camera did go down, right? Can you guys see it? So this is what I got going on, and I am excited and I'm happy because I love these lock extensions. So if you want to know more, I have videos on my channel or what shampoo I use. I don't oil my scalp every day. I only oil it when I need to. And as you can see, my hair is really growing. So I'm just letting it do its thing. I'm not messing with it. Yes, my edges have always struggled, but I'm also really hairy to where my hairline almost touches my eyebrows that I don't have. And I have sideburns. Sometimes I shave it right, sometimes I don't shave it right, but it is what it is. So this is my hair. So this is a quick update. I'm gonna end this at exactly 3 minutes. If you guys have any questions, make sure you please like, subscribe, and comment down on the video. What else? I haven't had any locks fall out because I've had them in 2-strand twist, and I'm trying to make sure that they lock before I undo it. So right now, you know how when you get lock extensions, they install to your hair, but they're not actually locked yet. So I've given my hair probably about 3 months to lock. I think I'm gonna take these 2-strand twists out the end of May. My birthday is in June. So whenever the end of May gets here, I'll take them out. But right now I'm enjoying it, and I'll probably take them out and put them right back in. So thank you so much for watching. Bye. Click and like and subscribe. I'll be back soon. Bye guys.